Today in this video we will discuss chapter 7 exercise 7.2 ninth standard triangles NCERT. So the first sum of the exercise 7.2 given is AB equals to AC and bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect at point O. We have to prove BO is equals to CO, first part, and second part angle BAC is equals to angle CAO. For this, firstly, what we are given is AB equal to AC, bisectors of angles. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC given. AB equal to AC is given to us. Therefore, angle B equals to angle C. Equal sides have equal angles opposite to it, or half of B is equals to half of C. Therefore, half of B can we say 1, half of C can we say 2. Therefore, angle 1 equals to angle 2. So, if angle 1 is equals to angle 2, therefore, so BO equals to CO. Again, same reason. This was your first part. Now comes second part. In second part, firstly we will do the congruency of these two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle AOC, in these two triangles, AB equal to AC given, BO is equals to CO proved above, BO equal to CO proved above, and AO equals to AO common. Therefore triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC by SSS congruent condition. Now students, triangles are congruent, therefore angle 3 is equals to angle 4 CPCT. Therefore angle BAC is equals to angle CAO. BAC is equals to C, not BAC, BAO. Therefore angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. This is angle BAO. So this was your first sum. Now second sum. In second sum, BD equals to DC given and angle 1 equals to angle 2 each 90 given. We have to prove AB equal to AC. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, ADB and ADC, BD equal to DC given. Also angle 1 equals to angle 2 each 90 degree. AD is equals to AD common. Therefore triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC by SAS congruent condition. If the triangles are congruent, therefore we can say AB equals to AC. Why? CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now sum number third. In third sum, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC given and angle 1 equals to angle 2 each 90 given. We have to prove BE equals to CF. BE and CF are altitudes. We have to prove that these altitudes are equal. So in the above figure, AB equal to AC given. So students, if AB equal to AC, so we can say that angle B equal to angle C. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C. Equal sides have equal angles opposite to it. Now we are having angle B equals to angle C. Now in triangle BFC and triangle BEC, in these two triangles now BFC and BEC, firstly angle 1 equal to angle 2 each 90 degree given, angle B equal to angle C proved above. Also students, BC equal to BC common, BC equal to BC common. Therefore, triangle BFC congruent to triangle BEC by AAS congruent condition. Now, if the triangles are congruent, we can say that BE equals to CF. Therefore, BE equals to CF, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now, fourth sum. In fourth sum, B equals to CF, given, and angle 1 equals to angle 2 each 90 given to you. You have to prove triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF and AB equal to AC. So, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, firstly angle 1 equals to angle 2 each 90 degree, 1 equals to 2 each 90 degree. Angle BAE, also angle BAE is equals to angle CAF. Why? Common. Also BE equals to CF given. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF by AAS, congruent condition. Now students, if the triangles are congruent, therefore we can say second part, AB is equals to AC. Why? CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now fifth sum. In fifth sum, AB equals to AC given and DB equal to DC given. We have to prove that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. So in triangle ABC, AB equals to AC given. So we can say that angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? Equal sides have equal angles opposite to it. So say this as first equation. In triangle DBC, now in triangle DBC, DB equal to DC given, DB equal to DC given. Therefore, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Again same reason. Now adding 1 and 2, what we get? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 4. Now angle 1 plus angle 3 is angle ABD and angle 2 plus angle 4 is angle ACD. So we have proved angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. Now in sixth sum, AB equal to AC given and AC equal to AD given, we have to prove that angle BCD is right angle. So in triangle ABC, AB equals to AC given. Therefore, angle 1 equals to angle 2. Equal sides have equal angles opposite to it. Say this as first equation. Now, in triangle ACD, AC equal to AD given. Therefore, angle 3 equals to angle 4. Firstly, AB equal to AC, 1 equals to 2. AC equal to AD, 3 equals to 4. Therefore, 3 equals to 4. Same reason. Say this as 2. Adding 1 and 2. In this case, we will say firstly 1 equals to 2 and 3 and 4 is equals to 3. Not 3 equals to 4. 4 is equals to 3. Angle 4 is equals to 3. Why? We have collected angle 2, angle 1 and angle 4 and angle 2 and angle 3 on one side. Now adding 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 4. Now what is 2 plus 3? This is angle BCD. Angle 2 plus 3 is angle BCD. Now BCD is 1 plus 4. In triangle BCD, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle BCD, in this triangle 1 plus 4 plus BCD is equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. But 1 plus 4 is equal to BCD. Can we write BCD plus BCD is 180 degree? Therefore, twice we can write twice BCD is 180 degree. Therefore, angle BCD comes out to be 90 degree. This is what we have to prove. So this was your sixth sum. Now in seventh sum, AB equals to AC given and angle A is equals to 90 degree. We have to find angle B and angle C. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC given. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C. Equal sides have equal angles opposite to it. Therefore, let angle B equal to angle C equal to X. Now, we have supposed these as X because both are equal. Now, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree by angle sum property. Now, angle A is 90 degree plus X 180 degree. Twice X is 180 minus 90 is 90. Therefore, X comes out to be 45. Therefore, angle B equal to angle C equals to 45 degree. Now, last sum, eighth sum. In eighth sum, given is triangle ABC is equilateral. So, in equilateral triangle ABC, let angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to X. We know that in equilateral triangle all the angles are equal. So let each angle be x. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree by angle sum property. All the angles we have supposed are x. Therefore x plus x plus x is 180 degree. 3x is 180 degree. X comes out to be 60 degree. Therefore angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to 60 degree. So in equilateral triangle all the angles are equal, that is 60 degree. So this was exercise 7.2. For the next exercises, do watch the next videos. Thank you.